Yeah, this is our mini gas station, our mini mart. Yeah, my sister owned this one. And when I got here, there's an accident. Oh my goodness. Let me get out. Magiging usi ako nito. Usi. How do you leave this truck? Ayan, binangga siya. Binangga.
Yeah, I think the lunch is straight up.
How did he hit that?
Lucky if I
Oh,
was
look, yeah, she almost hit the pole.
Yes, it did.
I've seen 3 people hit this pole already. In the
Yeah.
last 20 years, 3 people have hit that pole.
You need to move it back
One time
a
they
little
knocked the cap off the top. I gave it to him to put it back on. Yeah, she freaking,
bit. No, she's like,
she was fucking, yeah.
so he came and hit this truck?
Yeah, she jumped the curb, right from this, over there.
Hey, lucky he was here all the way to Mogollon. Because the truck will be here to Mogollon.
Well, if the truck went here, she would have ran in my thing. In my gate.
Hey, Steve, let me try to left with you before we get distracted. What do I owe you?
Well, I think you went there and did
Let's just say you did. I just appreciate you doing it.
Yeah,
Besides that, you had to do all the cleanup.
Fire department here.
I know after I got it all done. Hey, look over there.
Police station is here. EMT was over here.
Oh, really? Oh,
There's a little kid in the
it's
park.
okay now. Renee? Okay. When we get finished, then I'll just pull forward. Actually, I guess, yeah, I'll just pull forward here and go back in there. But no, let me.
That's Steve right here. He owned this muffler shop next door.
Okay, let's do that. That sounds good to me.
Yeah,
Well,
usually I say like,
We didn't even.
all this mini car shop. Talyer dito sa Amerika. I'm glad they're okay. Yeah, they did their job. Pagas na nga. Sobrang sismuso ka na rito. Usi zero. I remember this truck. I used to drive this. One like that. I used to be a volunteer. Eee. Yeah? I don't know. Well, he jumped the curb.
Yun nga.
Nakapark yun. Buti na miss niya yung poste, oh.
Oo nga po, kundi dumbaksak ang puta.
Oo.
Ito, hinahit yung poste.
Kaya yung truck.
Umaga nga yung kotse. Kala ko, kotse ko na eh. Asa loob ako ng den.
Okay, ito po guys. Bye guys.